If you have a good skincare routine and you're like 29 like myself, or in your mid-20s to early 30s, listen baby, start taking care of yourself now, because it's going to be worth it when you're in your fucking 40s and you look like a baby. This is the first thing that I'm intaking for the day. If you don't know anything about sea moss, it has a lot of nutrients in it for our bodies that like we need. Just a spoonful of the sea moss mango that I'm using right now, and it tastes really, really good, and I just use hot water to get my body right, and on top of that, creating energy and all that and more. If you're new here, hi, I am Pole Goddess. So in this video, I am going to be giving y'all an update on my hygiene routine, because there's a few things that I have changed. And on top of that, I realized in my last video, I didn't really show y'all how to do oil pulling, and as well really showing y'all how to do the gua sha. In this video, I'm going to be showing you goddesses on how to do that. I'm just going to give y'all an update on my hygiene routine and how it has actually changed a lot of my body on how I feel. Okay, now I feel like I should take off my scarf. Should I take off my scarf?
What is that?
Lordy Jesus, no, I should have not. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, I feel better now. So it's been a month of me doing my dry brushing, working on the lymphatic system, as well as doing gua sha. So if you don't know, gua sha is a form of taking care of your lymphatic system. I don't know if y'all can tell, definitely check out my video that I made a month ago. And I definitely feel like just looking at my face, I can already tell in my face that the structure of my face, my skin looks clearer, my skin looks better. I overall feel better. So I definitely recommend watching my latest video if you have yet to. Watch that video. You can see a difference in my face of a month of doing dry brushing, gua sha, and just taking care of my lymphatic system. I'm gonna take a sip. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, how to. I am an anime goddess. If y'all know what anime that is, I fuck with you. Okay, anyway, let's get into it. So the lines that I had right here, if you check out my latest video, you will see like the lines that I've had here, as well as like here. Now, I always had these lines. So these lines that I have on my face, I've always had since I was a little girl. I'm gonna try and find a picture to post up here so y'all can see, like, it's genetics. Like my nephew has it too, you know, so it's something that's just in our DNA. The lines that I have here have literally, where are they? Where are they? You can't fight me on this. The gua sha really forms your face, as well as like, I didn't really have like a Dumbo chin or anything, but I feel like the structure of my face is more solid and it's more pronounced, okay? Ultimately, I just feel a lot more stress-free. I don't feel very stressed out. Like, there's nothing that really bothers me. Work on your system, which if you don't like know with the lymphatic system, I'm going to like break it down again, where it's pretty much your sewer system within your body. If you do not take care of it, you don't move it, it's gonna become stagnant. I definitely recommend doing this. So let me sit here and tell you something. So like I said, in my latest video of doing my hygiene routine, I didn't do the oral, like you saw me brush my teeth and stuff, but I didn't really show you on oil pulling. I'm gonna break down why oil pulling is really important to do and how it really helps your breath overall. Ultimately, like water flossing is really, really great, but don't forget to floss. It is still important. Water flossing is great, but oil pulling literally gets in parts of your teeth that you cannot reach. So with that being said, I'm not gonna make this a long drawn out video, but I'm gonna show you exactly how I do my routine, my oil routine, as well as my skincare routine with the gua sha, so you goddesses can definitely give it a shot and try and all that and more. So with that being said, let's head on over to the video. What I usually do when I do my hygiene routine, I'm going to put the oil in my mouth with the Listerine, and from there, I'm going to keep it in my mouth that whole entire time while I'm doing my skincare routine. So I don't really know how long it takes my skincare routine, but let's just say it takes about 5, even 10 minutes. Sometimes I do the oil pulling where if I'm doing dry brushing on my body, the coconut oil in my mouth, I will get in the shower and I will still have it in my mouth, and then get the water flosser and put the water flosser in my mouth. Oil can, like, it becomes a liquid. It's already a liquid if it's been in my mouth for a good 10 minutes. I heard 20 minutes is really good for oil pulling, but if you can do it for 5 minutes, and overall, if you just do it to start, like, I want to make this clear, just start with doing oil pulling, the oil in your mouth, and doing your skincare routine so you can get into the groove of having that swishing in your mouth and all that and more. So here's my skincare routine. That is my sun cream that I'm putting on my face, and that is the gua sha. So as you can see, I'm pulling my lips one way and I'm using the gua sha the other way. I've learned when you pull one way, like your hand's pulling it down and going upwards towards like your cranium as well, going towards your ears, that's what helps stretches out those lines. So this is how I've been doing it for the last month. As you can see, the lines on my forehead, you only see when I like scrunch it up, but you do not see it otherwise. So definitely give this a shot. Please let me know if you goddesses use this method, and leave a comment down below. Okay, goddesses, but this is my gua sha routine. When it comes to my oral hygiene routine, it definitely has changed, and I feel so much cleaner, and my teeth, I feel like, are stronger, they're healthier, and ultimately, I just feel like my breath feels so much fresher and so much better. And on top of that, just doing that extra stuff to make me feel confident ultimately is very important, as well as with my skincare. And I just want to end this video with saying this. Listen. Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you.
If you have a good skincare routine and you're like 29 like myself, or in your mid-20s to early 30s, listen, baby, start taking care of yourself now, because it's going to be worth it when you're in your fucking 40s and you look like a baby. Okay, with that being said, I hope you goddesses really enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, I love you goddesses, and I will check y'all in the next video. Mwah. Bye.